Very good morning. I'm Rajneesh here. Today, the very important topic, and that is comprehension. This topic is well in your syllabus, especially it starts from the class 8, class 9, and the class 10th. In any subjective exam, even the UPSC, BPSC, banks, railway, SSC, clerical gate exams, POs, you will find that this topic must be appeared there. This is a very important topic. Comprehension. Basically, the word comprehension is a noun, and this word, and there is a verb that is called comprehend. A word that is called comprehend. Comprehension and the comprehend. Or you can also mark and termed as a passage. Someone also remarked as a paragraph. This is a very most important topic of the reading, writing, and all the competitive examinations further where you are supposed to appear. And here right now, this is a very important question for number 1 and number 2, for especially for class 8, class 9 and class 10. In the English syllabus, generally comprehend has been taken into your syllabus account. It comes within your syllabus of the class 8, class 9, class 10 in the head of the reading and the writing. The real sense of the comprehend, to understand. The real meaning of the comprehension is to understand. Generally, basically, the comprehension is a topic that ensures the examining, the students, your approach of understanding or your degree of understanding or your level of understanding of a given topic. Now the question comes, comprehension on what? Comprehension may be of a space science, it may be of the Indus civilization, it may be of the sports, it may be of the agriculture, it may be of the medication, it may be of the some hi-fi technology, it may be of the space science. So generally, the person who draft the comprehension, he just want to check out your approach towards that particular topic. If your understanding is good, it means you are in a position to handle the given the question answer and the variety of the question answer very confidently. But when you are not in a very good position to understand, it means you are confused. The confusion is there. It means you are not comprehending the properly. It means your spelling is not at par. You are not very much gone into that very subject. It means your approach towards that topic is not up to the mark. So it becomes the responsibility of a student that you must know ins and out of the concept of the that given comprehension or a paragraph or a passage, and to comprehend well. Because when you will finish the text matter of the comprehension, then after the question starts. The question may be of a objective form. It may be in the term of the meaning of the spelling. Sometimes it may be of the heading. sometimes it may be of a moral, sometimes it may be of the preventions, sometimes it may be of your hidden approach. So, without knowing the ins and the out of the comprehension, the student will not be in the position to give the very pertinent and the smart answer. So, I have formulated, I have calibrated a formula here, and the name of the formula is the S3. Here, this is the formula that is called S3. Here, the first one, that is the scan, means the real meaning of the scan is to go through each and every word what has the given in the comprehension at least for the 5 times for 5 to 7 minutes. Because the value of the comprehension is very high generally. The one question is the costing, and the value of the one question is around, I suppose, 8 to 10 marks, and that is a very vital, means the 10% of your total English marks. You can also say in this way, somewhere, especially in the class 9th and the 10th, it may be of the 18 to 20% marks. It means that the value of the 18 and the 20% marks in the written examination of the English, it ensures around 30 to 35%, because the total marks is of the 80. And if you will regard the 20 marks in the total mark of the 80s, you will find it is more than the 30%. So, where there is a matter of the 80% value of a question, so you must pay very much attention and never rely on the anyone. You first go for the scan for the 5 to 7 minutes. It means being an ignorant student, being a very simple student, go for the each and every word, full stop, comma, each and every word at least 4 to 5 times of a that comprehension. If you will think that I am consuming here very much time, yes, you go for the consume whatsoever the time it takes, because the cost of this question is the 10 marks. So at least you must go for this question for the 10 minutes. Within the 10 minutes, try to repeat and understand. Try to repeat this topic 3 and the 4 times. Go for the study. When you will go for the study and after the reading, you will be in this position to understand the what type of the comprehension is. Is the comprehension is of or passage or paragraph is of the space technology, or is it of the environmental science, or is it of the mechanical engineering, or is it of the Indian politics, or hospitalization, or medication, or research. You will be in position to, because we have already gone through in the first stage, and that is 5 to 7 minutes you have the spare and you wait for the scan. Now the second is systemized. All the data and whatsoever you read, that is the well known and that is the well set in your mind. When the data well set in your mind, it means now you are in position. Now you are in position. You have taken this all the data in your mind. Now you are in great position to keep this in data. Now, when you go on through these all the studies, when the data is well set in the mind, you have known ins and out of this topic and the subject. Now, the final, the third is the select. Select means, now, what is the real meaning of the select? Select, the real meaning of the select in the computer, that is to take action. Just simply take out your pen and start up writing, because the whatsoever the data, it is well known to your mind. You have already spared 5 to 7 minutes, and that is well in your mind. And now write it. Give the example. Give the answer. Is it clear? Yes. Now, this generally in the class 8, 9, 10, the 10th, reading, writing is a caption or is a heading. The question number 1 and the question number 2 generally comes from the comprehension. Is it clear? Or comprehend, or passage or a paragraph. Is it clear? Now, never rely comprehension on the other boys. In generally exam, if you will go for the comprehension, what is the mood of the comprehension? I made you very clear. I made you very clear. Today, I discussed about what the real sense of the comprehension or comprehend or passage or a paragraph. This is important for the class 8, 9 and the class 10th. And also I described the formula of the S3, how does it function. Tomorrow I will take the more part of the functional and the operational need of the comprehension. And this is a very important topic because generally in the class 9th and the class 10th where the total marks is the 80 and it cost around the 20%. It means that the value of and the percentage marks of is around more than the 30%. So please pay the special attention towards the comprehension. I think you are realizing my sense and understand. Apply S3. You will know much and the much data of the comprehension, and then after go for the systemize and all the data well known to you and well set in your mind as per question give the answer. In the meantime, I am closing my lecture here. Please stay in the home, apply it, and tomorrow I will discuss the functional and the operational part of the comprehension. How does it function? How does we will operate? What type of the style? What are the fashion? And how we go for the better comprehension. In the meantime, I am closing to you, and today's my lecture was 32. In the meantime, I am taking a goodbye from your side. Thank you.